Hi all, welcome to another Source Sounds video. Here we've got a 22 plate Toyota Hilux MA SV. This is the sporty pickup truck. Right, so we're now inside the vehicle. This is the screen in the dash, and this is the view from the driver's position or perspective. As you can see, that dash, that screen looks really nice there. There's a little bit of reflection coming off there, but I'm going to start the vehicle now so you can see what's what, because we've also done a funky boot up logo in this. So as I start the vehicle, you can see there, that's that nice additional touch that we can do. Now obviously once this starts, there's your opening warnings. Now if you touch this screen, it will go off, so apologies, the dash camera's just talking over me. So what happens with this here is, that's our phone. So obviously we are now connected wirelessly for the Apple CarPlay, and again you can see the quality of the screen is just absolutely second to none. This will give us obviously the maps, it will give us Apple Maps, Google Maps, depending on what's on your phone. Give us the facility to be able to make and receive calls through your contacts. Again, it's all touch screen. We can use Siri to be able to make a call via just talking to the unit. What we can do with this is, obviously we've got our maps, so that's our Apple Maps at the minute, and we can go through our text messages. We then go back into the normal home screen, and this is actually going to give us the normal layout of the unit. If I go into there, then that gives me what's available. So we've got the facility for wireless mirroring, normal AM FM radio, and also DAB radio. We've got Bluetooth calls and Bluetooth streaming, although these are greyed out because it's connected to Apple CarPlay. We've got USB, and we've actually retained the factory USB down there. And then we've got a HDMI, an audio video AV input, and then obviously standby. And then obviously you can see across the bottom here we've got the facility for digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, although it's connected to an iPhone and your normal telephone. Now, one of the main things on this vehicle, we believe that this has not been done before, but what this vehicle had got was the 360 vision. So when we pop this in reverse, we've retained the reverse camera there, as you can see, and this also keeps the moving grid lines from the factory. But the customer found that this factory foam kit was just not good enough. It just wasn't doing what they wanted, and also wanted a better quality screen. So what we've actually done with this is we've also now retained the facility for the 360 view. So if I go on to that button, this is now giving my 360 retention, and then I can also flick through and do the side split, and then back onto the screen. So for further information on adding a dash camera, upgrading the AV system, adding reverse cameras, upgrading the security in your vehicle, give the specialists at Source a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching.